Hi guys, so my name is Jocelyn Huang. So today I will be teaching us about gas and gas laws. So the first law that we're going to learn today is called Avogadro's law. So this relates to the number of moles, where you can think of the amount of particles and how in the volume, which is basically how much space is in an object. So we can see right here I have a balloon, right? So when I blow into the balloon, we can see that it gets bigger. But when I release the number of moles, we see that the volume of the balloon actually decreases. So that's law number one. So the second law that we're gonna learn about today is called Boyle's law. So this relates to pressure and volume. So as we see, when I basically, when I put pressure by using my hands, right? The volume of this kind of shrinks. To give us a better understanding, if I continue, it explodes. As you see, the volume shrunk until the pressure got too much and it caused it to explode. To show a demonstration of Boyle's law, as you see, I have this very deflated glove. And not a lot of air is in it, but when I push down to it, when I construct the volume of it, you can see the pressure increases and allows it to extend to the fingertips. So this thing's really come back now. And the last law we're going to be talking about today is Charles' law. So this law basically states that volume and temperature are proportional, meaning that when volume goes up, temperature also goes up. And when volume goes down, temperature also goes down. And we're going to do a cut. And for this law, basically what I'm going to be doing is I actually ran out of balloons. So I'm going to be taking this glove, which is filled with air, into the fridge, into the freezer. I'm going to wait a couple hours and we'll see what happens. Anyways, it's been a couple hours. So, wow, look at this. Can you imagine? It deflated. Yay! Now, how did this happen? It's because when temperatures get cold, like I said, moles are proportional, so it goes down. Thank you. So you might be wondering, how do we remember this? So I like to use the acronym ABC. So A is Avogadro's number. So remember, A is the relationship between the number of moles and the volume. So when I blow into this, it expands. Remember, the second relationship is Boyle's law. And Boyle's law has to do with the pressure and the volume. So when I put pressure on something, the volume decreases. And the third law, remember, is Charles' law, which has to do with the volume and the temperature. So as temperature increases, volume increases. And as temperature decreases, volume decreases.